Hello everybody, today chicken review Axel Thunderbolt for Docking Station $299. If you are in the market for a Thunderbolt for docking station for your MacBook, laptop, Chromebook, you might be interested in the latest USB-C dock from Axel. The Thunderbolt 4 dock supports Windows 10 RS4 and above. Thunderbolt 4 enable laptop Intel Evo platform and Mac OS 11 Big Sur and newer MacBooks Pro and MacBook Air with Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4 ports. The upgrade Thunderbolt for docking features two is Thunderbolt for ports, one as display port, one dot for port, bar 3S USB 3.1 Gen 2 try a ports, one F USB 2.0 try a port, one SSD 4.0 UHS to card reader, one S 3.5mm audio combo jack and gigabit Ethernet port, offering users 4 GB PS bandwidth from the Thunderbolt for certified docking station with support for high-speed data transfer, 10 8K video power delivery, and more. Axel Thunderbolt for docking station supports a single 8K jet audio UHD 4K 60 Hz external monitors using any chips of the available display port 1.4 and 2 Thunderbolt for ports. Axel Thunderbolt for docking stations features expand ports. Thunderbolt for docking station equip user to increase the number of devices by connecting to a laptop or desktop PC. For instance, gamers can connect a gaming keyboard, a wide gaming mouse, external monitor, and SSD to a dock, and then to a PC with a single Thunderbolt for cable cable management, users can keep their workstation organized with just one cable going from the dock to their PC or laptop, keeping workstations areas clean and clutter free, seamless throughput with a bandwidth of 40 Gbps. The Thunderbolt for box make it easy for user to connect high performance gadget and view them at their optimum speed without delugging the port capacity. Mobility by easily detaching one cable instead of 3 or 4, provide user to locate their device and device ourselves for device power ยกขึ้นนับมาก power your preference with a sales new Thunderbolt for docking station. The new asset Thunderbolt for docking station expands your laptop or desktop connectivity. Accel launch its new web Thunderbolt for docking station on Wednesday. The company said the Intel certified hub provides high-speed data transfer deal 4K or 8K external display capability and 96W of power delivery to quickly charge multiple peripherals. Accel Thunderbolt for docking station connectivity. Accel upgrade is Thunderbolt for docking station power technology for radar connectivity. It outfits the hub with 2 Thunderbolt for ports, 1 display port, 1.4 port, 3 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A ports, 1 USB 2.0 Type A port, 1 SD 4.0 USB HUX 2 card reader, 1 3.5mm audio combo jack and a gigabit Ethernet port with 40 Gbps bandwidth. The Thunderbolt for certified docking station support. The asset Thunderbolt for docking station will retail for $299 and become available on December 6, 2021, the company said. chicken review the end. Bye bye everybody. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.